Welcome to my channel, guys. I'll just show you how I organize my van. It's a Ford Transit Connect. It's the smallest possible vans that you can get. Maybe there's a smaller one than this, but this one is relatively small to me, and it fits everything you need. So I've got it all racked up, and I've got shelves, and everything is on the walls behind me. So I made these. I'll just turn the flip the camera. So I made these cupboards and shelves out of MDF, and everything is well compacted, but it takes all the stuff, all the tools that we need on a daily basis. I managed to remove the plastic boxes that were here in the wheel arches, and it opened quite a huge space. So I've got these cubby holes, and they are really deep, and I've got a lot of more stuff in there. So it's two of them, one on the back, one on the front, and everything is strapped so it doesn't move. Got the saw there. I've got a bigger saw, but this is for the daily basis that we need. And as I said, everything is attached onto the walls. It just, if you need something, you just grab it. Takes no efforts at all. All made out of MDF. And onto the walls. So I'll just open the sliding door. That's from the sliding door. All the levels are in, and the small power tools are just in that section there, which maybe can open a little bit to see, but that's for the loose tools that are not in boxes. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day.